Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. We've got something very, very special today. ASUS sent over all the Evangelion stuff, so we decided to do a full Evangelion build with all this new stuff. You guys have been going crazy on social media about it. I've been seeing everyone loving it, and I gotta say, in the flesh, this stuff looks crazy. So what we're gonna do in this video today is you're gonna come along with me and you're gonna hang out with me while I build this in the way that you don't actually hang out with me, you just watch me put it together. So without further ado, let's put this thing together. But remember, ladies and gents, these builds are designed to inspire you guys to build beautiful PCs of your own. And I gotta say, this is one of my favorite PC builds that I've done in a very, very long time. Let's see how it came together. ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed seeing this Evangelion build come together. This thing is so awesome. All of these parts are so cool and I just love this color scheme. Even aside from the fact that I grew up watching Neon Genesis and I absolutely loved it. I was actually talking to Claire about it a couple months ago before all this stuff came out and she'd never seen it before. So I think we're gonna have to watch some Neon Genesis from back in the day. I remember when I was growing up, they played it on a channel called SBS here and I was like, what is this? This is the coolest concept ever. And it's so cool that ASUS teamed up with them to put these parts together because I gotta be honest, so with PC cases and that kind of stuff, and when there's collabs, sometimes they can be a bit hit or miss, but the attention to detail with everything, with all of these parts, the cooler, the GPU, the case, the motherboard, just everything is so well put together and I'm so glad that we actually got to get our hands on this stuff because the truth is, I kind of want to keep this together as it is because it looks so cool. I wish the video did it justice because this thing just looks incredible. All right, let's talk about the parts. The CPU is the Intel Core i9-12900K. We put the 12900K on the ASUS ROG Z690 Hero EVA Edition. The RAM is 32 gigs of G.Skill Triton Z5 at 5600 mega transfers. It's DDR5 memory. You need DDR5 for this board. To cool the 12900K, we use the ROG Ryujin 360 EVA Edition. The GPU is the ASUS ROG Strix RTX 3090 EVA Edition. The power supply is the ROG Thor 1000 watt Platinum 2 EVA Edition power supply. It's got that little screen on the side. The GPU support is this. Herculux. It's very cool actually. ASUS sent over 2 support brackets and I thought this one was the way to go. It just looks so much cooler and it just suits the build as well. Obviously you can sense a theme going on here. Everything is ROG and that's the point of it. And I know someone's gonna ask about this wallpaper right here. This is in Wallpaper Engine and I literally just typed in EVA 1. And that's what came up. I'll put a PC part pick list down below so you guys can peruse that list and see all the parts that I use in this build. Now there's a couple things I would like to have done, but when I was putting it together, I was thinking to myself, I don't want to take away from how awesome this is. So my original idea was to change the fans and everything to the new Leon Lee fans. And I thought to myself, you know what, we're not gonna do that. I don't want to take the focus away from how cool these parts are. As well as that, with the decals on the case, you wouldn't be able to see it if there were fans glowing through the glass. And I think that's why they have black fans up there in the first place. So yeah, congrats ASUS. You made some really cool components. And if you guys want to get your hands on this stuff, I'll put some links in the description down below. M-Wave here in Australia is selling all of this stuff. You can get your hands on it. I think it's going to be limited run from what I understand, but it is very, very cool. But let us know what you guys think about companies doing collabs like this. The Gundam stuff was cool, but this is way cooler. If you like the music you heard here, I make all the music. It's available by clicking that join button down below. And make sure you get yourself subscribed by clicking that subscribe button and clicking the like button and ringing the notification bell and all that stuff. And special thanks to ASUS for sending all of this stuff over because it is so cool. And like I said, I'm probably gonna keep it together as is. Maybe this will be my new gaming PC. It is just so cool. I love looking at it. It's very, very sweet. Anyways, I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek, and I like it. I love it. What do you reckon, Claire? Do you love it?
Pretty funky.
I love it. I absolutely love it. Thanks for watching.